Hey guys, this is Dick and Gogo, technical analyst of Allies Flow, and in this video I'll discuss about crude oil. Now you can see this is crude oil, and let me show you in a daily time frame. Now daily time frame crude oil, we have seen price is running in a sideways market, right? So they are running in a zone. So where is our zone? So let me show you. Let me draw a horizontal line by connecting this point. So I'm gonna connect this point, and okay, let me draw the zone, then it will be better to identify. So this is the body of this candle, and this is the tail. I wanna connect body and tail. So now we have seen this is the market trading zone. Right now price is running in this zone. Have you seen? So after breaking this supporting line, price dropped down toward previous lower point, right? So next day we have seen this is a doji pattern, and after that you can see this is the inverted hammer, again inverted hammer. That means price is, when price reach that area toward this resistance zone, and seller pressure push lower toward this area, and when price reach that area and buyer are pushing toward this area, so that means the buyer or seller are still fighting each other here, right? So let me show you in a 4-hour time frame how it should look like that. Now you can see in a 4-hour time frame, buyer are pushing the price toward this area, and after that in that area, and the seller just push down the price toward this area. So similarly here you can see continuously price was pushing up, and one sell candle dropped down toward this area. So if you want to trade crude oil, so you must trade in between this range. So let me show you another small range. Mostly prices bouncing from this area, right? So we have seen prices bouncing from this area, and price again drop down to area. So if you wanna trade, so you must trade in this area only, right? This is our trading zone, and this zone is running in between the point of you can say like that 200 point. In between this area 200 point prices running in a large time frame. So in a small time frame it will look like that, right? Okay, now it should look like that, right? We have seen this is our trading zone, and price mostly running in this area, right? This is our small zone, like that, right? Like that. So if you wanna trade, so we are looking for buy here, and we are looking for a candlestick pattern, right? And in this area we are looking for sell again, and by using candlestick pattern in this area. That is our trading strategy. And if in case price enter in this zone, no traded zone this area, leave it the market, all right? So let me show you no traded area. Okay, let me remove this one, and let me show you rectangle line here, and this is called no traded zone. Got it? This is no traded zone. And if you wanna trade, you just try to trade in between this area only, right? And once they break this zone, start selling below from this area, right? And if they break this zone and start buying above this area, remember, because we have seen 2 times price reverse back from this area, and it's a high probability to reverse back again. That means you can see price reverse back from this area, drop down and price push up in this area and drop down again. If price reach that area, it is a high probability to again reverse back. So in that case, we are looking for a bearish candlestick pattern in this area. And similarly, we have seen prices bouncing from this area, right? Prices bouncing from this area. That means they are forming a support are there. We have seen multiple price rejection from this area, and that is why we are expecting price will bounce again from this area. So we are looking for a bullish candlestick pattern area, right? If you are not getting any bullish candlestick pattern or buy signal in this area, leave it the market, or they will enter in this market. They might run like that, and you don't trade in this zone. So most of the people are thinking how many points are there, right? So their point will be around 70 to 80 points, right? Most of the people are thinking, hey, how can I miss 80 points? You can't catch every point, right? We need the confirmation, high probability trade, right? In this area, there is no high probability in this area. In between this area, there is no high probability in which direction price will go. But above this area, it is a high probability reverse back from this area, because we have seen previous market behavior, they are reversing from this area, and price was multiple rejection in that line. Got it? That is all a probability. Nobody can predict the future, right? Not only market, you can't predict anything, because all markets are running by the people's emotion, right? That is emotion. Some logic are there in between your mind and you are entering in this market, right? That is your emotion or your logic. So you can't predict the more millions people's emotion or their like feelings, right? So that is a probability. Remember, people are telling that they can predict the market 100% accuracy. Nobody can do that, and don't believe them. All are probability, because this market there is no 100% accurate logic, because this market runs by human psychology. Like your psychology, then you are entering this market. Your psychology, you are closing your position. And in this market, million people are there. You can't read their psychology, right? So that is why all are probability. So we knows everybody, because during our school or college, I think you people learn about probability, right? Okay, if price reverse reach that area, there is a high probability to reverse back again, right? Technical analysis are just, we are analyzing previous historical data, nothing or more, right? First time reverse, and there is a next time probability to reverse back, because we have seen there is a multiple rejection are there. So again, price reverse back, and we have seen previous market drop down from this area, and there is high probability to drop down again, right? That is the probability. Okay, so we have seen this is our entry point, and here our entry point for the sell below, not above. Remember, below. If they break this level, so it is a high probability to continue trend toward upside, right? So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And for the evening session, you just subscribe my another YouTube channel, and which is link is given below. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.